guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's see how to adjust the strap so that it fits your wrist properly. So we'll see that in today's video. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. That would help me grow in YouTube. So please guys, do subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. I want to make this really quick. So you can take, SIM ejector pin, or if you have a really, thin screwdriver, you can use that as well. So I will use this pin for now. You can either do it by splitting this, or you can do it from here, but this might be a little difficult. So what I'll do is I'll just open this. I'll split this first. So you just need to put the pin inside this and need to split it. So keep this little rod safely, or else you might lose this. So I'll just keep it somewhere else. And after that, what you need to do is look for this kind of arrow. So those are the chains which you can remove. So I've already removed few. So here I will remove one. So it's simple to remove the chain. You just need to have a SIM ejecting pin, something like this. Put there's a little hole they have given. Just put the pin inside that and push it upwards or outwards, and this should come out. So split this one. So you cannot remove a chain by just removing one particular key. So you'll have to remove two keys. So I need to remove this as well. So I'll remove this. So if you do that, the key will come out. Just pull it and remove this key, and you'll be able to remove one particular chain. So that's all. Then what you need to do is you can remove this connector as well. It is not required, so it's already available over here. Just attach it and put back the key. That's all. So you need to handle it properly. So something like this, you need to hold and put the key. So there's a little tricky. Put the key back. So as I'm recording, it becomes a little difficult to put the key, or else it would have been really quick. So just hold it, push it closer, and then put the key inside. So you can see from here which side is the a thicker one. So it goes like this. So it should go something like this, and I need to adjust. So I need to adjust this, and that's all. Just keep pushing till it completely goes inside. So that's all. It's done. One particular chain you have removed, and you'll have to put back this lock. So you need to bring back this little rod what you had kept aside. Put it inside, and you can, if you have some tool, you can use that. I don't have any tool, so I will use my hand for inserting it back. So make sure the other side of the rod goes and gets inserted in the hole which is below this particular hole over here, this hole. So that should be done. Only then you can put the top part, or else you'll be struggling. So once you feel that the lower part is inserted, just push this, and that's all. So that's all you have to do, and it gets locked. So right now I will not be able to wear this watch, I believe, because it has become really tight because I've removed multiple chains. So I'm not able to lock it. So I'll just put back this. I need to put this thing back, or else I'll not be able to wear this watch. And also on the other side, I know there are 4 little holes with which you can do minimal adjustment. So this can also be used for adjusting the strap. So if your wrist size is a little small than the chain, then you can adjust with this one. So I'll just put this back. So yeah, that's all in the video, guys. That's a quick video which I want to do. Hope you all liked it. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. But yeah, that's all. Let's catch you next video. Until then, see you. Bye.